Welcome everyone to episode number 8 of the price prediction series for 2024. We have prepared for you 100 videos on the most popular cryptocurrencies. Today's topic will be the price prediction for Polkadot on 2024. So we are doing that type of videos that are most likely around the rational side. We don't want to speak bullshit. We don't want to speak the numbers you're actually looking for hearing from us and just trying to get some videos out there confirming bias. I'm trying to put together materials that are sitting on the realistic side of the picture. Whether you enjoy the number or not, we have to take that it's coming from the market. It's not even me that I had to enjoy the predictions, but most likely, I'm speaking about the number, not the content itself. Yet we need to accept that if a market is giving us certain predictions, those are the real numbers as they are backed up by data. So it's not my own desire in the middle somewhere at all. If it would be around my own desire, I would actually say, well, I hope for 2024, each of these cryptocurrencies will go up to the $1 million mark. I don't care, but I hope that's going to be, so that's what I'm going to speak out to you guys. That's not how it works, and I completely see that as a huge wasting time and disrespect to people watching you. So, Polkadot, our beloved one, it is performing well, ranked quite high, 12 on CoinMarketCap, enjoying its ride, having volume day by day close to the billion mark during this times as I'm filming, and enjoying basically the space as it is. Now, before we get into the topic, you can like this video if you enjoy this type of videos, as well subscribe to the YouTube channel to find out more about our predictions, technicals, live trading. We have the live trading going on. It's a $56,000 position profit right here. You can participate in our trades, by the way, if you think that's something for you. It's no prior fee, only commission from the profits we achieve. We can also trade for you through API trading permission, which only give us trading permission and we can execute trades, or you can trade for yourself and we send out the signals to you. There's two ways around this corner. As well, for those of you that are looking through education, well, one-on-one coaching program is perfect for anyone out there looking to become professional in this field, looking to handle this process correctly into the trading cryptocurrency. You want to be part-time, full-time, day trader, swing trader, doesn't matter. The education is necessary to perform correctly. You don't want to be between those guys that have missed, 20x, 15x, or even 1x at the end of the day during the upcoming bull market. I'm telling you guys, this bull market right here has the ability to set financial free even someone that starts with $5,000. So let's get into the Polkadot and see what's happening on the weekly candlesticks. Well, one thing that I need to portray is Polkadot, unfortunately, has lost a lot from its all-time high. Right, so we're looking at the lowest point. It is 93%, and this is insane. This is insane, folks. If you look at the chart and a video I made with Tron is actually sitting compared to its all-time high somewhere here. So near to it. So near to that. And throughout 2023, it has been just going up like this. So there's all sorts of cryptos out there that are performing differently during these times, yet Polkadot is not in an amazing shape to point out. Yet, this is not the end of the movement. This is not the end of the story. And I would say for Polkadot, it's still in the beginnings of where are we supposed to move and what's happening. So you can take it as a pretty unsatisfying situation, but at the same time, satisfying situation for those of you guys that are looking for participating in Polkadot. We had a crypto winter from the tops pulling us into an accumulation stage. So any price action movement that is under $11, it's part of the accumulation stage. This is the major supply zone, which we have touched back in the day in 2022, and we have not been able to revisit that at all during our accumulation stage of Polkadot, right? So during the entire 2023, we've not been able to touch the $9 to $10 mark. Not a big problem as we're actually trying to do it now. There is the weekly candlesticks here or there trying to push and go aggressively and positively, which is fine. So the first thing that we need to do very, very fast is to get out of the accumulation stage. which means to be in the double digits area. That is above the current supply level, pretty much hitting the markets above us at $10. Get above that and get into the golden pocket retesting. This is the minor golden pocket that you have to retest. It will not be a big deal. You have to get to that point $16, $17 in the first part of the year and form a liquidity movement and a range that will allow you to push basically to a much bigger stage out there. Break out of the number 124 and get into the major supply right there. That's sitting right below $30. So that will see as a market very strong supply level between $30 up to $36, $38. Those are the two levels I pretty much would like to see, and those are the expectations. Between the two major zones here are the expectations for Polkadot to discover itself when the bull market accelerated phase starts, which is lasting between 8 to 12 months. But let's get Polkadot up there between 30 up to 36. Have the markets prepared in that phase for the accelerated movement, and then you're going to see Polkadot in bull market of 2025 above $100. Not like going to 105, but easily going above $100. Because from that level, it's just going to be a 3x on Polkadot price to go into that range of triple digits. And then from $100, as you already know, it's easy to take it out to 200, 300, and 400s. It's easy to take it out. When you're sitting in the tens of dollars area, it's much harder. It's much harder. So there's every time a key level that has to be broken in order to talk about how easy it is to touch major levels without breaking those key levels, such as to be between $28.30 up to $36 before the accelerated phase, which is happening in the second part, late 2024. That's where we have to see Polkadot. This is where our expectations are going to sit, especially we have three different extensions appearing between that zone, which is the 1.272, the green line, the red line, and the blue line. Out of this, all three, the blue line at the top will be the most powerful, sitting on $36. So that's what happens with Polkadot, guys. Another thing that I need to speak about will be the moving averages. And I'm going to turn this the guys on. So number one thing is we broke about 20 days moving average for the weekly. We're also looking for breaking above, in a confirmed way, of course, above the 50 days, which is the orange line. I mean, the way the charts are sitting right now, this week, it's still 1 day and 14 hours to go out of the candle, but the breakout is like 99.9% completed. We need to make sure we are sitting above the 100 days moving average, which is the light blue line, and then retest basically as soon as we retrace from a movement the 20 days, the red line. That will be a major sign of bullishness, extreme bullishness, that the market will actually establish a new high, a higher high. So you want to look for that pattern as well, which is very, very significant. Just like the 20 days have been punished us during the bear market cycle, right here and right here. Those were the major signs. How terrible, I mean, from here, Polkadot just dumped all the way to 70% in 105 days. Imagine the amount of people sitting in Polkadot that have purchased at all these levels, and they're crazy with this cryptocurrency still finding themselves underwater. But that's it. Like, unfortunately, it hasn't recovered as much as it should, and on the other side, it has decreased a little too much, I would say. Do not forget about the reality behind Polkadot. Their product is delivering big time. Community is very, very strong around the topic, and people search answers. So we're putting these videos out to make sure you guys understand where are we located and what you can expect. Beautiful. That's all on the topic. If you like this one, hit the button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and put your comments, put your questions, predictions in the comments area. Feel free to reach out for completely done for you trading, or to join the signals. On the left side of our page, you see our performance. Links and resources are in the description area and comments area. You also have the ability to see our videos right there of examples of trades that I've performed, including the one-on-one coaching with me only for serious people, just like I said. You want to make sure you are reaching out to me to find out more and watch this video with the explanation. We're doing exercises, live trades, homework, explanation with the technicals, sharing with you my screen. So it's a comprehensive step-by-step coaching on how do I do my trading from A to Z, guys. Been trading since 2014, and this is my pure pleasure. Have a good time, folks. Subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.